Alright, so I'm under the car. So I'm working on the power steering pump. Just got the lines hooked in. So got to kind of excuse these wires here. They just hanging down. So kind of get those out the way. But you can see the lines on the power steering pump. That's the return line right there. That's coming off the back, and then that's the high pressure hose right there. So got that in, and then they come down and they go to the rack, the steering rack right there. So the power steering system is all hooked up. I can actually add fluid to it, but I'm not because I'm not ready to start the car. Still need an oil filter. So I'm gonna go grab that, and you can kind of see what's going on down here. So that's the oil filter. Where the oil filter go? I'm gonna go get my radiator hoses because, as you can see, that's the water pump right there and the damper. So now you're looking at everything from the bottom side. But as you can see, I got the sway bar end links in. So when you're looking at all of this stuff, this is just stuff that, it just comes right off. I just got to get under here and get it all power washed. And so when you're looking at all that, it ain't like that stuff that's just stuck on here. So it look a little messy under here because working on it don't make no sense to keep cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it. So you can kind of see on that side, I did take the time to kind of start wiping things down so you can see what it'll look like when I'm done. So that's the inside of the passenger side, and you can see a big difference than what's on the driver's side, because this side ain't been wiped down and all that. So the springs this is all stuff that was put on the car, put on it, when it was in the body shop, and it's just stuff that'll just come right off and just need to be wiped up a little bit so you can see, so it'll be nice and clean once I get up under here and get it all cleaned up. But new steering rack bushings, everything polyurethane to give it more of a sport steering feel. These are my new sway bar brackets. I didn't go with the factory ones. I went with a billet aluminum. And this is the factory sway bar. I really didn't feel a need to change it. So I just powder coated it candy red along with everything else. And now I can tighten it up. You can see right there on this particular bracket. See how it's kind of away. So I'm gonna tighten that down. And that's pretty much it. I can go get a wheel alignment and all that. It's ready for wheel alignment at this point. And then you can see these, those two lines right there. I'm gonna take that line with the connector on it right there, and I'm gonna put a couple of loops on it and screw it to the body. Right now it's just hanging. That's the hydraulic line to the clutch, because I'm not running a mechanical clutch. It's all hydraulic. And then that one that's hanging, that's the bleeder for the hydraulics, for the hydraulic clutch. So once I'm done bleeding, once I'm done filling it up with hydraulic fluid and bleeding it, I'm gonna just zip tie that one to that one, because there's really no need for that other than being able to bleed it. So once it's bleeded, it can just be tucked up and out the way. And then that harness right there, that's the transmission harness. So I'll get all that stuff hooked in. I'm gonna go grab my starter and put the starter in. So I'm almost done with the mechanical portion of the car underneath. And I'll be ready to button all of this up and be about ready to get it all done. Small pump, bigger pulleys, the damper, water pump right there. So that's all water pump stuff. Then the AC up there, and then the power steering right here. So you're just getting a good view from the bottom of the car. Yeah, they got a charcoal box. So gotta excuse all the stuff that's hanging, because I'm about to start hooking stuff up. Like this right here, this is to the charcoal box, the purge valve. So that's the purge valve right there. So once I get the engine harness in here, then all of this stuff will get hooked. All these hanging harnesses will get hooked in. All of this hanging stuff will get hooked into the engine harness. So I'll be putting that in a minute. I'm gonna go grab my radiator hoses and all that and get that stuff hooked up. And I'll be about done in a minute, y'all. It's getting there. Progress is being made. Yep. Oh, matter of fact, might as well show y'all this while I got the camera running. Oh, I got both horns up in there. Ain't that something? Wonder if they still work. I bought a new horn, one anyway, but I still got both of them right up in there. Have to check that out. But went and got the brake-in oil. This is for the transmission, and this is for the motor. So these will both go in for the first 500 miles, and after the first 500, then you just put the regular motor oil in and you'd be good to go. So just wanted to show y'all that. But getting it done, y'all. I'll be done shortly.